Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to learn this type of drawing in Python using Turtle module. In this drawing, this is a tree. This is a factorial tree, and in this tree you can see here. First of all, he draw a straight line, then rotate at some angle, then rotate, then rotate, then rotate, then rotate. It means he rotate and forward your pen some steps 1 2 3. Then after some step completed, he go to the backward and draw some leaves. Go to the backward, draw some leaf. Go to the backward, draw some leaf. Go to the backward, draw some leaf. This is the concept of this tree. Okay. Okay, this is the factorial tree. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Any doubt you can comment. Let's start. Okay, this is the programming of this factorial tree. So first of all, we import two module, Turtle and Maths. We use mathematics and we use graphical, so that's why we import two module. First, after that, we define our Turtle. Turtle means this pen. We use this pen to draw, and we assign a name to this pen is T by this line, turtle. Okay, after this we define the shape of the nib of my pen. Is shape is turtle, that's why T dot shape is turtle. That's why our pen nib is shaped like turtle. Okay, then T dot LT means left. You can write left, left or LT, 90 degree. Default my turtle direction is this, and start drawing in this direction, but I want to draw in vertical direction. That's why we rotate our turtle into 90 degree. Okay, these lines you can understand easily. Now the level 11, these three variable you can remember. I am telling you these are straight line, then rotate some line, this row line, this line, like this. These are the steps. So that step is 11, and the distance of this line is L 100, and the angle of this is 17 degree. Okay, so that's why three variable we define. The next is T is pen up, backward. Okay, T dot T is I turtle, T is my pen. Pen up means pen is up from the paper, like paper, and don't draw. When pen is moved, then the pen is not able to draw. That's why pen up. And backward, how much distance? L distance. And pen down and forward, L distance. It means if your pen is here, what we do if these four line, pen up and backward a distance here without drawing, and pen down here and forward distance, like that. First position is pen is here, the second position is here without draw, then forward a distance L. Okay, the next we define a function. Def is used to define is your function. Okay, def we define a function. That function name is draw tree and have two variable L comma level. Okay, now what we do, you can see in the output the distance is decrease. This distance is decrease. This distance is equal to L is equal to 100, per is every step this is distance is decrease. Means we define in this function L is equal to 3 by 4 into 100. It means 75. It means the first length is 75 and the second length is also decreased when 75 multiplied by 3 by 4. Okay, due to this length is decreased every step. And T, first of all, first length is 75 and the angle is 17 degree. Angle is left angle is 17 degree because we define already S is equal to 17. Okay, so angle is 17, first distance is 75. Okay, next is forward L. This is distance 75 but not draw. This is value change to L 100 to 75. First step is cursor, our pen nib is rotate 70 degree. Okay, the second step is draw 75 until where the level plus is equal to 1. It means is plus 1 means first step then second step, every step have plus 1 till when level is less than level. Level is we define 11. Okay, when 11 step is completed, then what happen if the level, it means levels means step, if we draw 11 step less than this 11, then draw is like that, forward backward. If the level is more than 11, then what he do, he backward L distance. I explain again. His first step is 100, second is 75, then less, then less, then less, then less. Okay. Now the step is less than 11. When the next step is greater than 11, that's why is what he do. He do the backward length. He go back and angle is 34, 2 times of s, and then backward, then 2x and distance is L after the 11 step, okay. And he tilt draw backward 2s angle till when the level is less than the 11. It means back step is also 11. Okay, now you can see the output and the last step. Okay, I will tell you in the output this 3 lines. Okay, this is first step, second, third, fourth. After 11 step, he go to the back and draw, back and draw. He go to the here. When he come to here, after this the level is -1 and he stop the program. Now his this level and this level, now last level is this, because this level is minus. And the speed of drawing is fastest and draw L comma 2 means level 2. Okay, this is the output. You can see the whole output. If you like this video, if any doubt, you can comment. If any suggestion of tutorial, please suggest me, then I improve my quality and my teaching method. Please, your feedback is very important. Thank you very much.